In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 5mm wheel spacers on your Mercedes CLS 300. Let's check it. If you are confused about wanting your wheels to be fresh with the fenders but not stick out too much, then the Bonus 5mm wheel spacers are your best choice. We usually install 15mm on the front wheels and 5mm on the rear wheels of the CLS class, and the overall effect is just the right amount of fullness. If you are worried that the wheel spacers too thick will not be safe, then Bonus can solve this problem. Bonus wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This melt has good mechanical properties. By contrast, Bonus insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. Let's take a look at how to properly install 5mm wheel spacers on the rear wheels, and before and after 5mm wheel spacers. Let's go! In the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.